Konnichiwa! Welcome back to Nihongo Quiz! Your fun destination for learning Japanese through quizzes. Today's theme is color and nature. Can you guess what these katakana words mean in English? Choose the correct English meaning from the 4 options. You'll have 5 seconds to answer. So stay sharp and ready to paint your mind with colors and dive into nature? Let's get started! Time is up! The correct answer is green. Gurin is the katakana word for green. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is pink. Pinku. It's commonly used in fashion and art. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is blue. Buru is the katakana form of blue. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is orange. Orangey refers to both the fruit and the color. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is purple. Parpuru is the katakana word for the color purple. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is forest. Foresto means forest and is often used in fantasy stories. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is rain. Rain is a word often used in music and titles. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is sunshine. Sunshine is used in weather reports and even in anime names. What is this word? Time is up! The correct answer is flower. Furawa is a common katakana word. Out for the last word. You sure to get this right? Time is up! The correct answer is rainbow. Rainbow is a colorful arc we see after the rain. Great job, everyone! How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new quiz. Still up for other Japanese quizzes? Click here for your next challenge. See you there!